Hello students, welcome again. In the previous class, we have studied about adjoint of a matrix and inverse of a matrix, okay. I told you how to find the inverse of a matrix, okay. And we have already discussed about the exercise problems also, correct. So today we are going to continue the same exercise because that exercise is very important. बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन सीबीएसई में उस एक्सरसाइज से पूछे जाते हैं, ठीक है. तो वी विल कंटिन्यू विद द सेम एक्सरसाइज प्रॉब्लम. Okay, let's see here. Exercise 4.5, I have already discussed the first 4 questions and I told you to solve from 5 to 11 questions you have to solve by yourself. I told you to try it out, right? Let's see the 12th question. Okay, very important. But before explaining the 12th question, I want to tell you one very important result. Okay, that important is we have discussed some 3-4 results in the previous class, but again 2 result is left out, which is again very important. Okay, let's see what is that result says. The result says that if A and B are invertible square matrices of the same order, then AB is also invertible and AB the whole inverse is equal to B inverse A inverse. Okay, it's a very important result. That means if A and B are invertible, if they separately are invertible means when you multiply AB, that will also be invertible and you can give this result as AB the whole inverse is equal to B inverse A inverse. Okay. Come to the next result. If A is an invertible square matrix of order n, then A inverse the whole inverse is equal to A. Again, it is a very important result. Okay. Let's see the next question, that is 12th one. Look at here, 12th question. A is equal to 3725 and B is equal to 6879. Verify that AB the whole dash is equal to, Now let's see the 12th question. It's given that A is equal to 3725 and B is equal to 6879. You have to verify that AB the whole inverse is equal to B inverse A inverse. Okay. Now just now I have explained you that result. So you have to verify that result here. ठीक है, तो इस एग्जाम्पल से आपको ये क्लैरिफाई भी हो जाएगा कि इस रिजल्ट को जब आप अप्लाई करते हैं तो सही में ऐसा हो रहा है या नहीं. ओके, सो लेट्स सी. First thing is, what is LHS given to you? AB the whole inverse. That means you have to first find AB inverse. What is the condition to find AB inverse? You have to first find the determinant of AB. Okay, so let's see what is the determinant of AB. To find the determinant of AB, you have to first multiply AB. Okay, so 3725 6879. So we will multiply. Okay, when we multiply, you know how to multiply the two matrix, that is 18 plus 49. Okay, 24 plus how much? 63. Correct. And here it is 12 plus 35 and 16 plus 45. Okay, so you have multiplied the two matrix. Now let's see what you are going to get it. Here you are going to get 67 and here it is 87 and here you are going to get, I think 5 and 2 7 47, I think. Yes, 47 you are going to get it here, and here I think 16 plus 45, that will be 5 plus 6 11, 4 plus 5 and plus 1 61. Correct. So 67, 87, 47 and 61. You got the answer when you multiply. Now look at here, you have to find the determinant of AB. You all know how to find the determinant. So when you find the determinant, I am directly writing when you multiply. Okay, what is the answer you are going to get it? 67, 87, 47 and 61. You are going to get minus 2, which is not equal to 0. ठीक है, जब आप multiply करोगे, you are going to get minus 2, which is not equal to 0. So what is the conclusion? The conclusion is AB is non-singular. Okay, AB is non-singular matrix. Now when AB is non-singular matrix, that means what? AB the whole inverse exists. Okay, and is given by AB the whole inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of AB into adjoint of AB. Clear, children? AB, the whole inverse, is 1 by determinant of AB into adjoint of AB. Okay. Now, determinant of AB, you already got it, minus 2. Now, the target is you have to find adjoint of AB. And to find adjoint of AB, especially for a 2 by 2 matrix, I have already given you a trick. You remember that? What is that trick? आपको यहाँ कोफैक्टर निकालने की ही जरूरत नहीं है. देखिए यहाँ पे AB ये मैंने ऐसे लिख दिया. Adjoint of AB, आपको AB क्या मिला? 67, 87, 47, 61. Adjoint निकालने के लिए क्या करेंगे आप? You will interchange. Okay? तो ये कैसे होगा बताइए? It will be 61 and 67. You have interchanged. And इसको क्या करेंगे आप? Change the sign. That means minus 47 and it will be minus 87. Clear, children? So देखिए आपने बिना कोफैक्टर निकाले आपने इसका adjoint लिख दिया. Simple. Now you will put the value of determinant of AB, that is minus 2. Okay. So you got it, 61 minus 87 minus 47 and 67. So this is you got AB the whole inverse. Okay. Now the next is this is your LHS. आपने क्या निकाला अभी ये? LHS. ठीक है. अभी आप क्या निकालोगे? RHS. RHS के लिए देखिए यहाँ पे आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं RHS. Look at here RHS. RHS is B inverse A inverse. ठीक है. तो आप क्या करोगे? B inverse के लिए आप पहले determinant of B निकालेंगे. What is determinant of B? मैं directly लिख रही हूँ. देखिए 9 6 how much? It is 54 minus how much? 8 7 it is again 56. So you are going to get minus 2 which is not equal to 0. ठीक है. इसको हम यहाँ से थोड़ा सा अलग कर देंगे. So this minus 2 not equal to 0. Minus 2 not equal to 0 means it is again a non-singular matrix. When it is a non-singular matrix means B inverse exists and B inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of B into adjoint of B. Clear? Adjoint of B. What is adjoint of B? Now determinant of B you got it minus 2. Adjoint of B means again no need of finding the cofactor. You can use the trick there. What is the trick I told you that day also? Adjoint of A means interchange it. तो 9, 6, ये क्या हो जाएगा? minus 7, minus 8. So this is you got for B inverse. Clear, children? Same way we'll go for A also. तो determinant of A आपको क्या मिलेगा? 15 minus 7 2 14, that is 1. ठीक है? Not equal to 0. That means A is non-singular and its inverse exists. Okay? तो inverse जब exist होगा तो हम again formula लगाएंगे. 1 by determinant A मतलब ये 1 है, इसको लिखने की जरूरत ही नहीं है यहाँ पे. सीधा हम adjoint लिखेंगे. What is adjoint here? Look at here again. No need of finding the cofactor. Interchange. It is 5, 3 and minus 2, minus 7. So finally you got here AB inverse आपको पूरा मिल गया है. ठीक है. यहाँ पे देखिए आप आपको B inverse भी मिल गया है, A inverse भी मिल गया है. Now what you have to do? You have to multiply B inverse and A inverse and you have to verify that whether AB the whole inverse is equal to B inverse A inverse. So let's see whether we are getting the same thing or not. Okay. We'll multiply B inverse and A inverse. Okay. Let's see. Now, B inverse A inverse is equal to, what is B inverse? You got B inverse as minus half, 9, minus 8, minus 7 and 6. ठीक है? ये आपको क्या मिल गया? You got B inverse. What is A inverse? A inverse is your 5, minus 7, minus 2 and 3. Clear, children? B inverse A inverse आपने उसका values को वहाँ पे लिख दिया. Now look at here. You will multiply. You will keep minus half here and आप multiply करेंगे. 9 5s are 45. Okay. 8 2s are 16. Minus minus plus. It is 16. Correct. Here it is 63 minus 63 and minus 24. Okay. Here it is minus 35 and minus 12. Here it is 49 plus 18. Okay. Now look at here, minus half. 45 plus 16 कितना होगा आपका? 61. Okay. So 61 you got it. And here it is what? Minus 63 minus 24 कितना होगा आपका? Minus 87. ठीक है, यहाँ पे कितना होगा? Minus 47. और here it is how much? 67. Correct. See here you can, मैं यहाँ पे एक और स्टेप आप यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं. वैसे ये दोनों सेम है. देखिए आप देखेंगे माइनस हाफ बाहर है, यहाँ पे भी माइनस हाफ है, इसको माइनस यहाँ लिख देंगे. ठीक है, बोथ आर सेम. बट यू कैन डू वन मोर स्टेप हियर. यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई माइनस इनसाइड. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? हाफ, ये था आपका माइनस 61 प्लस 87, 47 एंड माइनस 67. ओके, वैसे तो ये भी सही है, बट आप चाहो तो माइनस अंदर मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं. इसको भी आप मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू गेट? यू आर गोइंग टू गेट द सेम थिंग. ठीक है, तो आप देखेंगे यहाँ पे जब आप मल्टीप्लाई करोगे माइनस से, आपको मिलेगा हाफ माइनस 61 प्लस 87, 47 एंड माइनस 67. सो यू विल ऑब्जर्व दैट बी इनवर्स ए इनवर्स जो आपको मिला, ठीक है, यहाँ पे, और जो ए बी इनवर्स आपको मिला, ये दोनों सेम है. So we have verified that AB the whole inverse is equal to B inverse A inverse. It's a very important question. आपको ये जरूर 2-3 बार मैंने देखा है, पेपर में आया भी है, लेकिन ये तरीका है आपको सॉल्व करने का. Clear children? Now we'll go to the next question here. So I think 12th question is clear to you. आपको बस ध्यान से उसको करना है. ठीक है? Now come to the 13th question. If A is equal to 3 1 minus 1 2, show that A square minus 5A plus 7I is equal to 0. Hence find A inverse. Look at here children, this is the question, okay. Now till here you all know how to solve it because we have already done in matrices. You remember that? I have given you some questions, I have already explained you how to solve and how to get the answer to be 0. Simple, find A square. A square means multiply A into A, so you are going to get A square. 5A means you have to multiply the matrix by 5, and 7I means I is the identity matrix, you have to multiply the identity matrix by 7, and you have to substitute the values in the equation on C whether you are getting 0. You have to get 0 because it's a show that question. Okay, तो वो पार्ट मैं नहीं करा रही हूँ because आप कर सकते हैं उसको. We will go for hence find A inverse. See, there is a twist here. I told you how to find A inverse. 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. ठीक है, ये तरीका मैंने आपको बताया अभी. Now this is a different type of question, hence find A inverse. Whenever you are getting a question, what does they mean? They mean that from this equation you have to find A inverse. You are not supposed to use adjoint here. You have to use this equation and you have to find A inverse. Okay, let's see how to solve this. So first part you do it at home. आप कर लीजिए. हम देखते हैं इसमें से हम A square को कैसे निकालेंगे. ठीक है. Now this is the equation. Correct? What I'll do here, I'll multiply this equation by A inverse. Both left hand side and right hand side, I'll multiply the full equation by A inverse. So what you're going to get? A square A inverse minus 5A A inverse plus 7I A inverse is equal to 0, because 0 when multiplied with A inverse means 0 only. Okay. Now what I'm doing here, this A square can be written as A into A, correct? And I am combining with A inverse here. ठीक है? Minus 5 again A inverse plus I into A inverse. Identity matrix, when multiplied with any matrix, you are going to get the same matrix. Okay, that is a property. So here I can write it down as 7A inverse is equal to 0. Is that clear children? What I'll do here, I'm writing this A inverse as I. आपको पता है, if A is invertible, what is the condition? AB is equal to BA is equal to I. AB is equal to BA is equal to I मतलब क्या? B क्या है? A inverse ही है, ठीक है? So here A inverse is nothing but I, okay? And here also it is 5I, correct? Plus 7A inverse is equal to 0. When a matrix is multiplied with the identity matrix, what you're going to get? You're going to get A here. Correct? Minus 5. Since it's a number, तो 5i रहेगा यहाँ पे. Plus 7A inverse is equal to 0. Now you have to find A inverse. So what you will do? I'll write 7A inverse here. I'll keep this 7 is there and I'll take to other side, the other terms. So 5i minus A. सही है? 5i minus A. ठीक है? अब हम क्या करेंगे? 7A inverse is equal to 5i. What is I? Since the matrix is 2 by 2, I also 2 by 2. Clear? Minus A. What is A given to you there? It's 3, 1, minus 1 and 2. Clear, children? Multiply 5 inside. You're going to get 5005 minus 3, 1, minus 1, 2. Okay. Now subtract it. 5 minus 3, it is 2. 0 minus 1, it is minus 1. 0 minus of minus plus 1, it is again 1. And 5 minus 2, it is 3. So, A inverse will be is equal to ये जो 7 है, ये कहाँ चला जाएगा? यहाँ पे 1 by 7. तो आपको क्या मिला आंसर? A inverse is equal to 1 by 7, 2 minus 1, 1, 3. See, very simple. You are not supposed to find adjoint of A, determinant of A. Directly you can get the answer from this equation. Clear, children? That means पहले आप इस equation को पहले तो आपको करना है इसको 0, ठीक है? उसके बाद you have to write the equation, multiply by A inverse and combine it. A inverse so that you can write A inverse as I here and then you can find easily A inverse. समझ में आ गया आपको? बहुत सिंपल से आप A inverse इस equation से निकाल सकते हैं. Most of the children, they always do the mistake. Whenever question comes like this, what they will do? To find A inverse, they'll find the adjoint and then they will write the answer. But that is a wrong steps. Okay, you have to find from the equation A inverse and this is the procedure you have to apply. Okay, so clear, children? We'll go to the next question here. Now let's see the 14th question. Again, very important. For the matrix A is equal to 3, 2, 1, 1. Find the numbers A and B such that A square plus AA plus BI is equal to 0. Now look at here. You have given a matrix 3, 2, 1, 1 and find the numbers A and B such that equation is given to you. You have to find the value of A and B here. Again, this is a very important question. पूछा गया question है ये CBSE में. ठीक है? So let's see how to solve this question. So the equation is A square plus AA plus BI is equal to 0. Okay. Now we'll put A 3, 2, 1, 1. Okay. Again it is 3, 2, 1, 1. What I am doing here? I am finding A square. So I am writing 2 times AA. Correct? This A into what is A? 3, 2. I am substituting the value here. Correct? Plus B into I is your 1, 0, 0, 1. And this is equal to 0 given to you. Correct? Now what I'll do here, we'll first multiply the matrix. Okay? Let's see when you multiply, what you're going to get. It's again 9 plus 2. Okay? Here it is 6 plus 2. And here it is 3 plus 1 and 2 plus 1. Okay? Plus A we will multiply inside. So you are going to get 3A, 2A, A plus. What is B here? Multiply inside. It's B, 0, 0, B. Okay? This equals to 0. Clear, children? That means 9 plus 2 it is 11. 6 plus 2 it is 8. Okay, here it is 4 and here it is 3. Plus, add it, what you are going to get? 3A plus B. 2A plus 0 is 2A. A plus 0 is also A. And A plus B is equal to 0. Clear, children? So, now you will frame the equations. Okay. Now, again, what you are going to get it? You are going to get a matrix 11 plus 3A plus B. 11 plus 3A plus B. Next will be 8 plus 2A. 8 plus 2A. and next will be your 4 plus a, okay, 4 plus a, and the last is 3 plus a plus b, okay, 3 plus a plus b, and this is equal to 0. Now you have to equate the equation and get the value of a and b. Now how to equate the equation? I'll go for a simple equation. I think better to take 4 plus a is equal to 0, okay. So it is 4 plus a is equal to 0, and we got the value of a as 4. Clear? The value of a is 4 minus 4. Now we'll take the one more equation, 3 plus a plus b is equal to 0. Substitute the value of a as minus 4. So it is 3 minus 4 plus b is equal to 0. What do you got here? 3 minus 4 plus b is equal to 0. That means minus 1 plus b is equal to 0. That means b is equal to 1. So what is the answer you got it for this? A is equal to minus 4 and b is equal to 1. So once again I am explaining, look at here. This is a question, you have to find the value of a square plus, a and b, you have to find the value, equation is given to you. तो आप क्या करेंगे, उसके values को उसकी जगह में substitute कर देंगे. After substituting, multiply, a also multiply inside, b multiply, frame the equation like this. And after framing, equate it. And you will observe that you are going to get a as minus 4 and b as 1. Clear children? Okay. So let's see the next question here. Now look at here. You have got two set of questions here, 15 and 16. Okay. Both are same type of question. So I'll go for the first question, that is 15th one. 16th one you can do it at home. Okay. अपने आप से practice कर सकते हैं इसको. Let's see how to solve 15th question here. Look at here. This is the question. You have to show that a cube minus 6a square plus 5a plus 11i is equal to 0. Again, these type of questions we have already done in matrices. So you have to just find a square. ठीक है, a square जब आप निकालेंगे आपको ये answers मिलेंगे, correct? And when you find a cube, how to find a cube? You have to multiply a square with a. When you multiply a square with a, you're going to get a cube, and this is the answer you're going to get. This is the matrix you're going to get for a cube. Okay. Now after finding the values, you have to just substitute it and see whether you're getting 0 or not. You have to get 0 there, correct? Now the next part is hence find a inverse. Same type जैसे हमने पहले किया था, same हम क्या करेंगे इसको? We will multiply the complete equation by a inverse. Okay, a inverse. So what I'm doing here, a cube a inverse minus 6a square a inverse plus 5a inverse plus 11i a inverse, that equal to 0. I am multiplying the complete equation by a inverse. Okay. Now I am combining. What I am doing, I am splitting a cube as a square into a inverse. I can do like this. Okay. Minus 6, again here I am splitting it to a inverse. एक a को मैं इसके साथ में combine कर रही हूँ, so that a inverse की जगह पे हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? I. Okay. Now plus 5a inverse plus 11i into a inverse is a inverse, that equal to 0. Now what is the value of a inverse? It is I. So what you are going to get? A square I 6ai plus 5i plus 11a inverse is equal to 0. Clear children? Now what are you going to get here? A square I means it is a square only, because when a matrix is multiplied with the identity matrix, you are going to get the same matrix. So it is a square minus 6a into I is nothing but 6a. Okay. Plus 5i. Okay. Plus 11a inverse is equal to 0. So you have to find a inverse. What you will do? 11a inverse is equal to minus a square minus plus 6a minus 5i. ठीक है, ऐसे बना दिया हमने. अब 11a inverse is equal to, आप इसको 6a को पहले लिख दीजिए पॉजिटिव में, and then a square minus 5i. Then what you will do? You will substitute the value जैसे हमने पहले किया. Now after substituting the value of a square and 5i and simplifying, you're going to get this matrix. Okay, minus 3, 4, 5, 9, minus 1, minus 4, 5, minus 3, minus 11. Now what you will do? A inverse will be is equal to finally 1 by 11 into, क्योंकि 11 A inverse था, minus 3, 4, 5, 9 minus 1 minus 4 and 5 minus 3 minus 1. So this is the answer you got for A inverse. So this is the way you have to proceed when an equation is given to you and you have to find A inverse. Don't go for finding adjoint of A. Simply from the equation you have to find the answer for A inverse. Is that clear, children? Now we'll go to the next question here. Now next set of question is your multiple choice question. Okay, let's see the 17th question. Let A be a non-singular square matrix of order 3 by 3. Then determinant of adjoint of A is equal to, 4 options are given to you. In the previous class, I have discussed what is an important result. What is that? Determinant of adjoint of A is determinant of A, the whole raised to n minus 1. Okay. And what is n here? N is the order. And here the order is given to be 3. Okay. So the answer will be what? Determinant of A raised to 3 minus 1 is determinant of A square. So B is the correct option. Okay. Now come to the 18th question. If A is an invertible matrix of order 2, then determinant of A inverse is equal to, 4 option is given to you. Now look at here. See, since A is invertible, that means A inverse is equal to I is equal to A inverse A. Correct? ये condition हमें पता है क्योंकि A invertible है. Now if I take the determinant, okay, what is this? This is again a result A into B. Determinant of AB is determinant of A into determinant of A inverse. And what is determinant of I? It is 1. So what will be the value of determinant of A inverse? It is 1 by determinant of A. Okay. सिर्फ यहाँ पे symbol नहीं use किया, यहाँ पे DET करके use किया. It is the same thing. So which option will be correct? B option will be correct. Okay. Clear, children? Now these are the 3 questions. It's a work for you. आप इसको घर पे करेंगे. ये तीनों CBSE में पूछे गए questions हैं. First question देखिए, you have it's given that it's a singular matrix, then x will be, x का वैल्यू क्या होगा? Singular matrix में कौन सा कंडीशन लगाएंगे आप? Determinant of A is equal to 0. You have to apply this condition. Okay, इस इक्वेशन को लगाना है, इक्वेट करना है. You have to solve the determinant and get the value of x from there. Okay, same thing with the second also. Same चीज आपको करना है. Singular matrix आपको दे रखा है. You have to first use this result, determinant of A is equal to 0. इसको use करना है और आपको x की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है. थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज अ क्वेश्चन विच इज आस्क्ड दिस ईयर. अभी जो क्वेश्चन आए थे सीबीएसई का पेपर जो आया था उसमें पूछा गया क्वेश्चन है थर्ड एंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ए बी द होल इनवर्स आपको फाइंड आउट करना है. ए इज गिवन टू यू, बी इनवर्स दिया है. वी नो अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रिजल्ट. व्हाट इज दैट? ए बी द होल इनवर्स इज इक्वल टू बी इनवर्स ए इनवर्स. ठीक है ना, ये आपको दे रखा है. इट्स गिवन. You have to just find A inverse and you know how to find A inverse. 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. आप उसका वैल्यू निकालिए, सिर्फ A inverse का वैल्यू निकालिए, दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करिए and find the value of AB inverse. Okay children, so I hope these 3 questions you'll do it at home and the exercise problem which I have discussed that also जो भी मैंने छोड़ा है, मतलब जो इस क्वेश्चन को मैंने सिर्फ डिस्कस किया है, आप उसको जरूर घर पे करिए. Okay, so children, today we have done 4.5 exercise. And I hope that the questions which I have discussed is clear to you. Do it at home, the questions which I have today explained you and the questions which I have given to you, okay? And in the next class, we are going to learn a very important topic, okay? So, thank you so much and keep learning.